Hello friends and my dear students, welcome to session 3 on projection of straight lines under applications category. Okay, we'll continue with the same room problems. Okay, see here, the room problem here was simple in the sense they asked you the true distance between the fan motor which is hanging 0.8 meters from the ceiling and one of the corners of the room, bottom corners of the room. That means bottom corner of the room, A and A dash, and the fan motor is B dash and B. You should know how to locate. This is what you're doing. This is not you're doing in the exam. It's only to make you understand I've done this. Okay, directly XY line you draw, VP HP you draw, A dash and A is looking at A dash and A you should know. That means it is one of the bottom corners because it is on the floor. That too in front of the front and left wall. Okay, front and left wall. Looking at the top view, it is no. You will know that it is front and left wall. That is, and looking at the front view, it is on the ground. Okay, did you follow? Looking at the front view, you will know it is ground. If I make A dash here, you will know it is front and left wall on the ceiling. But they have not said the true distance between that. They clearly said the true distance between one of the bottom corners. Bottom corners means it should be on the ground. A dash should be on XY line. Okay, that is on the floor. That is A dash I have taken here. A I have taken here. A, once you have taken A dash here, A if you could have taken here also, no problem. It would have been back and left wall. In that way, you could have taken. Okay, even you could have taken here. In that way, A dash would have been here. You could have taken A here or A here. In that way, any combination, answer won't change. I have taken here in this problem on the floor intersection of front and left wall. Immediately I joined A dash B dash. I joined AB, rotation of front view and our top view parallel to XY line. I have got the true length and I have already told you what exactly is the answer and all that. Here, this I have done. Okay, this is the room, the front view and top view. This is the fan motor. Okay, I got front view, A dash B dash. I got the top view. I have rotated. Okay, A point is fixed. B is the moving point. Made it parallel to XY line. And since the B is the moving point, I'll get the locus from B. I'll hit on the locus of B in the top view. AB1 is the true length. In that way, I'll get the true length of true length between one of the bottom corners and the fan motor as 4.95 meters. You can actually stop at this. Okay, this is the slope angle. Anything, whatever is that. This in that way, this problem gets over. What I'm telling you here is some of the other problems what they give in the exam. Here, let us say the room measures always length, breadth, and height. You take in this way only. Length always parallel to XY line 5. This breadth always perpendicular to XY line 4. Height is seen in the front of 4.5. It is seen in the front view. That is length and height. Okay. This can be seen in the front view 5 by 4.5 and all that. Okay. Now, even if it is a room measure 10 into 9 into 8 means this would have been length. This would have been the breadth. This would have been the height. 10 into 9 into 8 means this you take is 10 meters. This you take it 9 meters. This you take it 8 meters. Okay. In that way, if it is 1 meter, 1 centimeters means this is 10 centimeters. This is 9 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. Okay. In that way, if it is 1 is 200. Okay. Whatever it is. Now, you see here, let us say fan motor is here only. 0.8 meters from this hanging from the ceiling point. B dash and B will be same. This is A right now A is on the bottom corner. It is one of the bottom corners, front and left wall. That is why A dash and A have to put. Okay. Now assume that A dash and A is not there. They'll give the switch in another problem. No, this is a totally different problem what I'm doing. Okay, assume that. If they make a small change, you should be in a position to imagine this in the exam and do. If it is switch, they'll say fan motor is here only. B dash and B you locate same thing. Let us say room measures 5 into 4 into 4.5, everything same. Front view is same, top view is same, everything is same. Okay, fan motor is also same. Instead of giving the true distance between one of the bottom corners and the fan motor, they'll give now the switch. Okay, let us say the switch is located on the left wall means it is the left wall. It is the left wall center means, okay, you call it as yes, sir. So left wall center means you call it as center, you call it as yes, sir. Then instead of A is not there. Okay, now switch has to be located in the front view and the top view. Now you are looking from here. If S is at the center, if S is, that is switch is at the center of the left wall, then 4.5 means this center means here, no? This will be how much? 2.25. In the front view, at the center you take the front, that is the switch S dash. S dash you take it in the center, that is 4.5 means 2.25 you take. And in the top view, it is, if it is center, in the top view it will be at the center of 4 meter, no? Then you take S here. Okay, taking here S, taking here S dash, you are locating the switch at the center of the left wall. Same way, if you locate S dash here, S here at the center, you have located the switch at the center of the right wall. Okay, that is the idea. Now, did you follow now? See here, if the switch is located at the center of the left wall means, immediately you see, the center of the left wall means it should be 4.5 is the total height, 2.25 is the middle one. That means in the 4.5, 2.25. That means in the middle you take S dash. And in the top view, it is in between 4 meters. That means here in between 4 meters, that is you take S here. Then S and B, S dash and B dash you look at, join. Okay, S dash and B dash. See here, this problem if you see here, this is S dash B dash. This is SB. This is the top view of the line connecting the switch and the fan motor. This is the front view of the, that is from S dash to B dash, front view of the line connecting the switch and the fan motor. Since SB is parallel to XY line, okay, this S dash B dash, whatever you get here, that itself will be in true length. You don't have to rotate also. Anyway, this option I have told you. Let us say in another problem. They give, see here, they say switch is kept on the left wall. That means it should be left wall. In the previously I said it is at the center of the left wall. That is why I have taken S dash here, S here and all that I have taken. Now in this what they give it is located 1 meter from the front wall. It is located in the left wall, 1 meter from the left wall. Okay, 1 meter from the, that is, it is located in the left wall, 1 meter from the front wall. That means it is 1 meter from the left wall means this 1 meter from the left, that is the switch is kept on the left wall. It is situated somewhere here. This distance is 1 meter from the front wall means this distance is parallel to HP. Okay, that means it should be located here. That means this is anyway front wall. Okay, front wall. The switch is kept 1 meter from the front wall. Okay, that means 1 meter you take it here. Okay, yes, maybe here. Okay, and it is 1 meter from the front wall, but it is, let us say it is 2 meters above the ground. Let us say 2 meters above the ground can be seen in the front view. That means S dash you take it here such that this is 2 meters. Can you follow? This is 2 meters and this is 1 meter. This is S here. 1 meter means it is 1 meter from the front wall and it is 2 meters above the ground. Then S dash is here, S is here, join SB, join S dash B dash, rotate and get the true length in the same way as I have told you in this. In that way, any problem can be framed. Please look to this. That means this is the left wall, this is the front wall, this is right wall, this is the back wall and all that. Okay. Any changes, what they do, immediately you should be in a position to understand. If they say, okay, the fan motor, switch is kept on the left wall. Immediately, this is the left wall, this is the left wall. It is some 3 meters from the front wall. That means immediately you take 3 meters from the front wall. 3 meters somewhere here, you locate, yes sir. Okay, 3 meters from the front wall, on the left wall it is 3 meters, right? And you say this, yes, you locate. Okay, then if it is 1 meter above the ground, from 1 meter above the ground you locate S dash. In that way you should develop that imagination. Did you follow? It is, this is the front wall, this is the left wall. If the switch is kept, if the switch is kept on the left wall, means you should know it should be here. And they'll use some reference. It is from the front wall, some 2.5 meters, means from here 2.5 meters you cut. Okay, from 2.5 meters you cut. And if it is 3 meters above the ground, means you cut 3 meters above the ground here. Any distance above the ground, no, that will be seen in the front view. Okay, in that way you are able to understand the basic concepts related to the room problems. Now you see here, these problems we have done. Now there are 3 vertical poles. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F are respectively 2 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters long. Their ends B, D, F are on the ground and form the corners of an equilateral triangle 5 meter long sides. There are 3 vertical poles. You see here, there are 3 vertical poles, means all these poles will be seen as a point in the top view. Okay, there are 3 vertical. One is AB, another is CD, another is EF. Are respectively 2 meter, 4 meter and 8 meter. AB is 2 meter, CD is 4 meter, EF is 8 meter. With their ends BDF. BDF are on the ground, means that B dash, D dash, F dash should be on the ground. That means they are on XY line. Okay. Now, and the ground and form the corners of an equilateral triangle 5 meter long sides. Determine graphically the distances between the top ends of the poles, namely AC, CE and AE, and take a scale of 1:100, that is 1 meter is 10 mm and all that. They are given the scale, it becomes easy. Okay, now first I'll tell you how exactly is this problem in in 3-dimensional way. Okay, see here, please follow. There are 3 poles. This is HP, this is VP. HP is assumed to be the ground. Okay, can you understand? One pole AB. AB is 2 meters. CD, this capital C, capital A, capital B is 2 meters. Capital C, capital D is another pole, 4 meters. Capital E, capital F is 8 meters. When how I have written is, please observe, capital A, capital B is 2 meters. Capital C, capital D, this is CD, is 4 meters. Capital E, capital F, EF is 8 meters. How I have written is, they say in the top view, this will be a point. CD will also be a point. AB will also be a point. The top view of these 3 poles will form an equilateral triangle of 5 meter long sides in the top view. That is why this, can you see this? 5 meter, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Can you follow? 5 meter long. At every corner here, you should have a pole. One is AB, one is CD, one is EF. They have clearly given BDF on the ground. That is why BDF, capital B, capital D, capital F on the ground. A is above, E is above, C is above. Can you understand? They form the vertices of an equilateral triangle 5 meter long sides. Did you follow? This 2 meter, this 4 meter, this 8 meters. That means this 5 meters you draw, and this is AB, this is CD, this is EF and all that. Now what you know is, when you are looking from the front view, when you are looking from the top, the top view of this pole is A bracket B, correct? No? The top view of this pole is C bracket D. Top view of this pole is E bracket F. This you should know. This you don't have to write in the exam. I'll tell you how to do it in the exam and all that. Now you understand. Now that same poles, when you look from the front view, no? Front view, A dash B dash is 2. You take the projector. C dash D dash is 4. E dash F dash is 8 meters. This is the front view of the 3 poles. A bracket B, C bracket D, E bracket F. They are the top views of these poles. And finally, they have asked you some question and all that. We'll solve this. Now we'll come to the end of session 3. We'll continue this in session 4 clearly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, friends. Thank you.